VPP parliamentarian from Shillong constituency Dr. Ricky A.J. Singh on Thursday asked the state government to take the reported multi-crore road project scam seriously and to ensure the guilty are booked. This highway project connects Shillong to Tura via Nongstoin and Rongjeng. Expressing concerns, he made reference to another World Bank-funded road project from Lat Umsau to Mau Maram, which is yet to be completed, though repair work has already started. He asked people not to be silent on such illegalities.
The World Bank funded project, from Lat Umsau to Mau Maram, some 80 crores worth of project, if I'm not mistaken, to get the figures right. And the road has yet to be completed, and then repair is going on. And what is this? And that will be a World Bank funded project. So it is a matter of serious concern. But I feel that the public should, I think that the public should come out and speak against such activities, because this is concerning us and our future. So if we do such, some activities are being carried out in this manner, this is something very serious, because at the end it's public money.